How is it going, everybody? So if you remember, obviously we're going to be working on Escort, it's been a good few months, and if you remember from the last video, up at Knockkill I broke first gear, so I had one tooth come off of first gear, so since then I've had the box out, we've replaced the gear. I'll put some pictures in just to show you because I didn't film in it, just it was over lockdown and we were waiting on the gear and that, so it was kind of just done bits and bobs, like day by day, if you know what I mean. So none of that's been filmed, but that's the box all back together, and I've got to be a lift today for the guys in work just to stick the box in, so I didn't film that, but I'll just show you where we are. So if you can see, oh, I need to get a wee light from under here, but the gearbox is lifted in and it's only just held in with 2 bolts at the minute, so I've still got like prop shaft to go on, mount, bell housing bolts, put oil in it, starter motor, and get a wee run, make sure everything's fine. And I also need to put the coil pack back in it and ECU and a couple other bits when I was trying to get my SAF running. I still got a lot of bits off it, so I need to put it back together because we're doing a track day on Monday night, and apart from that everything else is fine. I've got a turbo return to put on as well because mine was burst, and that's the gear that came out, so just the one tooth came off in first gear coming out of the pits. It wasn't even like hard coming out of the pits, but the day before we went up for the track day we were launching it up and down the street and having a bit of a laugh with it, and I think that's probably what done the damage. So I'm going to go ahead and just start getting the box built up and then make sure everything works fine. We'll get it out a wee run, obviously, once it's built up. So because it's obviously really poor lighting in here, I've just ran ahead again and the box is in and exhaust is on. Everything's just about done on it. Today is put some oil in this gearbox and put a coil in the car, or a coil pack, and that's us. Should be up and running tomorrow. I need to bring oil and a coil pack down tomorrow and be able to fire it up and see how it is, and that's it. That's it, exhaust back on. Oof. As you can see, I don't know where you can hear me because it's quite a loud car, but as you can see it takes all the gears sitting on the ramp. Sounds perfect going through them. The clutch needs adjusted a wee bit, it's just adjusted too tight, so you can feel the pressure plate backing into the clutch just when it was going down on the clutch. So just need to adjust that, and then I'll take it a wee drive. I'll do that in the morning because it's quite late now. I'll do that tomorrow. I'll put a passenger seat in, probably I'll take somebody to weigh me. Go a wee bomb about and I'll bring a GoPro with me so I can put that in the window, and that'll be the tomorrow. But that's it. I'll probably change the oil as well before I drive it, to be honest, just because it's sat for a good few months. I think it's 4 months it's sat in the corner without moving, so we'll change the oil just to be safe. But I will actually catch him tomorrow this time. Obviously I just carried on and got it finished half the night, so we'll see tomorrow when we take a drive.
Back in the day with like the Cavaliers and all that.
It's fairer now.
Is it fairer, aye?
Because everyone's got the same mix, everyone's got the same tyres. You know, back then it was just
Everybody knew you won.
tyre, you can't compete with that. You know, everyone's